Mang mogok. Ripuh guys. Marah ropok.
Ya halangan ku saurang geus ya urang gawe.
Naik kereta api, tut tut tut, siapa hendak turun ke Bandung, Surabaya? Bolehlah naik dengan percuma. Ayo kawanku lekas naik keretaku.
Di mana ya, gunung mana? Gunung Bayan. RT. Soleh Simano.
Ngomong di Paragunan kan. Persaingan.
We start the final lap of the race here in Valencia. Here comes Jack Miller. He's coming through like a rocket, and he leads. Can he get the bike stopped into turn one? With the wind behind him and a bit of slipstream as well, he runs in one.